Okay, nice to you. This is Edward from Shandong Yuequn Machinery. We are specialized in veneer and plywood machinery. And here I will introduce our veneer peeling machinery 8 feet, heavy duty type for you. And you will see at here is our workshop for the veneer peeling machinery. And in there is the production area for the veneer peeling line, and also have other machinery, press, and other machinery. Okay, and today I will introduce this type 8 feet heavy duty veneer peeling machinery for you. We usually have 2 questions from our customer. The first question is, how can you ensure your veneer machinery can be protect the high quality of the veneer? And the second question is, how can you ensure your veneer peeling machinery the quality is good? So today I will solve the first question. How can you use our veneer peeling machinery to protect the high quality of the veneer? And the first, for our veneer, the thickness range from the 0.3 to 5 millimeter. So for this type, 8 feet heavy duty type veneer peeling machinery suited for the face veneer and core veneer. And you can check here. We use the linear guides for feeding, so for ensure the machinery can be feeding performance good. This is the first. And the second, you can check the frame of the veneer peeling machinery. It's heavy duty type frame for the veneer peeling machinery. So it is very heavy. When it's working, it's very stable. So that it can be keep the surface and the performance of the veneer good. And also you can check here, we use the servo motor for feeding. This is one servo motor for feeding. And you also can be find at here, we use the servo motor for rotary cutting. So this is the servo motor is for ensure the size of the veneer have a good performance. And also, and this is how can we ensure that you can use our veneer peeling machinery to protect the high quality of the veneer. And the second, how can we ensure our veneer peeling machinery can be used for a long time and it is good quality? At first, I will introduce the motor. And here you will find we use a double motor for double roller and a double motor for single roller. And here we use a Smith motor for the here. And also use this R87 hard tooth type reducer for the peeling machinery. So not only have the heavy duty frame for the reducer, and it's very stronger. Second, for this type reducer, not only with low noise, but also don't need oil link. Second, you can find the roller. Usually the roller diameter is 120 millimeter, and in order to let the roller stronger, we enlarge the diameter of the roller from 120 millimeter to 125 millimeter. Also, you can check the surface. The surface for the roller, it is suited for the face veneer and core veneer. We don't have groove on the veneer surface. Also, this is the roller for the veneer peeling machinery. Also, for the bearings, we use NSK from the Japanese, so it can be used for a long time. And also, we enlarge. And here you will find the guide screw. We also enlarge the diameter of the guide screw from 70 millimeter to 90 millimeter. So it can be used for a long time. And next, usually we want to change the thickness of the veneer. For example, you want to change the thickness of the veneer from 0.3 millimeter to 2 millimeter. You will by hand by screw to change the distance between the roller and the knife. But you can add here. We use add here is our servo motor. So when you want to change the thickness from 0.3 millimeter to 2 millimeter, you can directly put the thickness of the veneer on the touch screen. Directly put the thickness of the veneer on the touch screen, and the distance between the roller and knife will be changed by the servo motor. So this is the automatic thickness change. And also, in order to let you easy operate this 8-feet veneer peeling machinery, you will find at here we have the hydraulic station. What it used for? We use for the hydraulic knife holder. You can check the bottom of the veneer peeling machinery have many cylinders for the knife. So when you want to change the peeling knife, you can directly use this to automatic change knife. You don't need by hand, by screw to change the knife. Okay. This is our 8-feet heavy duty type veneer peeling machinery. Next, I will show more videos of this machinery. Thanks.
回去啊？
看是多少斤钱多。
Veneer peeling machine suited for face veneer and cold veneer. This heavy-duty veneer peeling machine with automatic knife holder, linear guiders, and for the thickness setting is by servo motor. With the clipper all in one.
Oh.
回去啊？
看是多少斤钱多。Tuloy-tuloy ah. Okay pa sila, tuloy-tuloy lang.